Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamualaikum. Welcome to Al-Munir High School e-learning system. Class 1, today we have unit number 1 and the topic is science from your Amazing Science book. Amazing Science book by Oxford. And the unit number 1, science. Science, what is science? Science is a way of finding things out. Science is a way of finding things out. Science क्या है? एक वे है चीज़ों के बारे में जानने का. So science is a way of finding things out. This is an ant. It has 6 legs. This is an ant. It has 6 legs. This is a flower. It has 4 petals. This is a flower. It has 4 petals. An apple is red. An apple is red. A leaf is green. A leaf is green. Tea is hot. Tea is hot. Ice is cold. Ice is cold. A stone is hard. A stone is hard. Jelly is soft. A horse is strong. A tortoise is slow. A mouse is small. A kitten is weak. A rabbit is fast. A football is round. An elephant is big. A slice of toast is square. A horse is strong. A tortoise is slow. A mouse is small. A kitten is weak. A rabbit is fast. A football is round. An elephant is big. A slice of toast is square. We know all these things by the science. Pick out the living things and put a circle around them. Living things. What are the living things? Living things can breathe, can move, can grow, can give birth to the babies. So balloon is living thing and can move also. Balloon is living thing or non-living thing? Non-living thing. And pencil is also non-living thing. Bird. Bird is a living thing. So circle the bird. Circle the flower. It grows. Circle the cat. Circle the fish. And circle the elephant. Now you have to circle flower, elephant, cat, fish and bird because all these things are living things. Choose the correct answer. An ant has 6 or 4 legs. An ant has 6 or 4 legs. अभी हमने पढ़ा था. So an ant has 6 legs. How many legs? 6 legs. So tick on the 6. An apple is blue or red? Red. So tick the red. A leaf is green or red? Green. Tick on the green. Jelly is hard or soft? Jelly is soft. So tick on soft. A stone is hard or soft? A stone is hard. So tick on hard. Ice is hot or cold? Ice is cold. So tick on cold. Tea is hot or cold? Tea is hot. So tick on hot. A football is round or square? A football is round. So tick on round. Question number 1 is put out the living things and put a circle around them. This question has been done. And now question number 2 is choose the correct word, and this is also done. We done the question number 2 also. Now the question number 3 is match the items in list A and B to make correct statement. And the statements are an elephant is big. So you have to match an elephant is with big. B is a mouse is small. So match a mouse is with small. A horse is strong. A kitten is weak. A tortoise is slow. A rabbit is fast. You have to match these statements with their correct statements. Match the items with their correct statements. Question number 4 is draw an ant and how many legs does it have? You have to draw an ant on your book, and how many legs an ant has? 6 legs. So you have to write the answer 6 legs. Draw a flower and how many petals does it have? 4 petals, and you have to draw a flower on your science book, page number 5. What is science? The question C is what is science? Science is a way of, this is already written on your book. You have to just write finding things out. Science is a way of finding things out. Science is a way of finding things out. Now this is your worksheet. Look at the object below. Mark living and non-living things, living by tick and cross. So tick the living things and cross the non-living things. So tick in the box of tree. Tree वाले box में tick कीजिए because tree is a living thing. Fish is also living thing. Elephant is also living thing. But this chocolate bar is not a living thing. So make a write a cross on it. Tick on tree, fish and elephant, and cross on chocolate bar. Computer is also non-living. Flowers are also living. So tick, cross the computer and tick the flowers. Pencil is non-living, so cross it. Apple tree is also living thing, so tick on it. Ice cream is non-living, cross it. A man is a living, so tick on it. Books are non-living and your ship is also not living, so cross on book and board also. So this is your worksheet, and when you done this worksheet you have to paste it on your science copy. So one class, this was your unit number 1. So you have to learn this lesson and do the work on your books, and take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.